Welcome back, everyone. This morning we packed up and hit the road, leaving Tofino behind. We really enjoyed our time there, and it was really good to just relax and unwind, enjoy the ocean, the beach, and the town itself, and we will definitely be back in the future. We had picked a spot that we wanted to head towards, and as usual, we had no idea what it would be like or if anybody would be there already, but that's just part of the adventure. With our fingers crossed, we hit the dirt road in hopes of finding the spot we had marked and hoping, since it's Saturday, no one else would be there.
That's it. What do you think? It doesn't look like it's a sharp turn.
The trail narrowed and became a bit more rocky as we made our way through the forest. Just as the trail opened up and we could see the ocean ahead, we also noticed that there was already somebody camping there. This would have been a pretty awesome spot, and the next time we are here on the island, we will be finding our way here again in hopes that we can find it empty and stay here for a few days to enjoy it. There was no other camp spot here, and we had no choice but to turn around and head back. Luckily, we had spotted some wreck sites down the road a bit and decided to make our way there since it was getting pretty late. Hey, we made it up a little north.
Yeah, we're by Campbell River.
Yeah, and we had found a spot off of a trail that was pretty awesome, but somebody was already there.
Yeah.
And it's Saturday, so that's weekends are always iffy anywhere we go. We kind of
Seem to be extra iffy when you're in Canada.
yeah. So we're at a wreck site, so there's other people around, which isn't our thing, but we still have a beautiful view of the ocean.
Yeah.
We're not right on it, but we're right across a little bit.
We're like, here we are, and the chief is right back there. So the negative is, obviously there's people around.
Yeah.
Try to find, it started to get late. We got a late start today. So it started to get late, and we got here kind of late. We were actually going to go farther if we would have left earlier, but because it got to be about 3:30ish by the time we got here, we decided to try to find a place, and found this spot off of Onyx. It was an Onyx trail, but really it's just a Forest Service road. It's like everything's logging a Forest Service.
Yeah.
But then there was a little turn off that was a little bit more like the road to the lake and the road to the other river, so it was a little more difficult for just a normal car. So we were hoping, and by the time we got to the end, there were 2 people already down there, so we had to turn around, and we could have left, but
It's after
it's
5.
yeah, it was after 5, so we just decided it was probably best we call it a night.
Yeah, so we'll make some dinner and probably get to bed a little early and pack up early and head on to the next one.
Yeah, we're trying to. Where we're going next is still going to be about 4.5 hours from here. So if we want to get there at a decent time, we have to leave kind of early tomorrow. But we'll see.
Yeah. It's still beautiful to listen to the ocean.
Yeah.
So we're going to relax and call it a day. Nothing too fun from today's adventures because
Yeah, it's just a lot of pavement driving and getting up here and getting out of Tofino and stuff, and but we're here now.
Yep.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is our view.
It's pretty spectacular still. Look at all the mountains over there.
Yep.
All the little islands.
All the mountains right there. People canoeing and kayaking.
So we will see you tomorrow.
Yep.
Night.
Bye.
It's up next.
Having something simple tonight. Burgers with some cheese, some Canadian buns, ketchup, mayonnaise, poppy, and mustard. I'm just having cheese. She's having all the other stuff.
He's having a burger.
I think they know I'm having a burger. I'm just having cheese on it.
That's fine. We saw some cruise ships.
Yeah, we saw some cruise ships. 2 of them. She saw 1, I saw 2.
And they said
Right over there. Out Leon. Going this way. And then the other one I saw was over there. Going that way. They were pretty big. But then you get this little Chelini who's all interested in what everybody else is doing instead of himself. So once again, burgers with mustard on them because she does that to flavor them, I guess.
and adobe.
What's that? Why are they like that?
It's a way to make them kind of like In-N-Out burgers, because that's what they do at In-N-Out burger.
You
and
heard
then
it.
it has adobe seasoning on it too.
And adobe seasoning on it. But we just picked this cheese up at the grocery store.
Yeah, we don't have it.
Yeah, we don't have that by us. So, unfortunately, there's not too much stuff at at the grocery store for us to get. We haven't found what, Save On? Is that what the
Save on Foods.
Yeah, Save On Foods. That's the other one, the big one. Obviously, there's Save On Foods in the U.S., but that's one of the bigger groceries. One of the bigger grocers out here. So hopefully we'll find one of those. I don't think we're gonna find one of those where we're headed.
No.
But maybe when we come back to catch the ferry in about a week, then we'll be catching the ferry and heading to California. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. She never says it at the end of the video.
The wreck site actually turned out to be a pretty nice spot. We were close to the ocean and it was very quiet. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the episode. And as Chris mentioned, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below. On next week's adventure, we're going to find a hidden gem and a secluded beach all to ourselves for a little while. And remember, life's a journey. Might as well make it an epic one.